Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting developments in web technology, the battle and the partnership between JavaScript and WebAssembly. If you have ever wondered how modern web apps can run video editors and 3D games right in your browser, this is the technology that makes it possible. First, let's talk about the reigning champion, JavaScript. For decades, JavaScript has been the only programming language that runs natively in web browsers. It is flexible, easy to learn, and controls everything you click or interact with on a web page. Because it is interpreted, it is incredibly easy to write and debug. But that flexibility comes at a cost. Because the browser has to read and translate JavaScript code while the page is running, there is always a performance overhead. For standard websites, this is fine. But for heavy tasks like video editing or complex calculations, JavaScript simply cannot keep up with native desktop applications. This is where WebAssembly or Wasm comes in. Unlike JavaScript, WebAssembly isn't text, it is a binary format. This means it is much smaller and the browser doesn't need to spend time figuring out what the code means. It can execute it almost instantly at near-native speeds, securely inside your browser. The workflow is different too. You generally don't write WebAssembly by hand. Instead, developers write code in high-performance languages like C++, Rust, or Go. They compile that code into a .wasm file, which the browser then downloads and runs. This allows developers to bring powerful desktop libraries to the web. Let's compare them side by side. JavaScript is human-readable text, while WebAssembly is binary machine code. JavaScript is fast enough for most things, but WebAssembly is optimized for heavy computation. Also, while JavaScript manages memory automatically, WebAssembly gives developers manual control, which is harder to do but much more efficient. It is important to understand that WebAssembly is not here to replace JavaScript. They are a team. JavaScript is still perfect for building the user interface and handling button clicks. WebAssembly steps in only when there is heavy lifting to do, like processing an image or calculating physics. So, where are we seeing this today? It is powering the next generation of web apps. We are talking about full 3D games running at 60 frames per second, professional video editing tools like Adobe Premiere components running in the browser, and even complex engineering software like AutoCAD, all without installing anything. Looking ahead, the line between desktop apps and web apps will continue to blur. We are moving towards a future where you can run any software, written in almost any language, right from a URL. This concept, often called the universal runtime, is going to change how we distribute software forever. To wrap up, remember this: JavaScript isn't going anywhere. It remains the glue of the web. But WebAssembly has unlocked a new tier of performance. By combining the ease of JavaScript with the raw power of WebAssembly, developers can now build experiences that were impossible just a few years ago. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.